Fire rescue, somebody called for trouble breathing? Hi, are you able to just check him out really fast and make sure he's okay? Yeah, we could definitely do that, but what exactly is going on? Yeah, sure. Just all of a sudden said his head was hurting and he couldn't breathe. Oh yeah, just out of nowhere? Yeah, it was just, out of nowhere. Sir, can you do me a favor and turn around for a second, please? Any chance you guys were doing the cinnamon challenge and accidentally inhaled a little bit and smashed your head on the countertop when you leaned over to cough your brains out? Maybe. Yeah, that definitely looks like a maybe.